Welcome. This is one of the previous year's question paper of statistics. So please look at this very important questions over here. So from unit number 3 and unit number 4 and the first unit and second unit. So which are very simple and easy to write. The difference between the central movements and non-central movements and find out its relationship, skewness, curtices, and all these questions are you can see here. Yeah, next expectation formulas and accumulating generating function and any two properties of accumulate generating function CGF. So like that questions you have over here. So the giant probability function they given here, and they are asked you to find out the marginal density functions and very important the theorem state and prove the multiplication theorem of expectation for two events, and also prove that this expectation of xy whole square is always less than or equals to expectation of x square into expected value of y square, and giant probability functions they are asking you. Next, similar the statistical questions are like this. So the probability values they are going to give you probability values. So what are the probability values and how you have to calculate the given here. These are the p of x and p of x values. Next, similarly the characteristic function they are asking, and simple probability definitions also. Okay. Next, similarly the long answer questions also you can see here. The mathematical expectation define the conditional probabilities and state and prove the multiplication theorem of probability for two events and n events also. So they are asked you to write about the giant distribution function and the marginal distribution function, dependence and independent events, random variables. Next, state and prove the addition theorem of multiplication theorem of expectations. Very important, again and again it is repeating. This is both useful for BSc first year semester statistics and also the data science. Next, the probability conditional probability values they given, they are asking you to find out these things. Similarly, describe various measures of dispersion and write their merits and demerits. Define conditional probability and independency of n events, multiplication theorem and also Bayes theorem. Okay, Boole's inequality, very important. Give mathematical definition of probability and write its merits and demerits. State and prove Boole's inequality, very important. Next, giant probability conditions, giant random variables of conditions and also the marginal probability distribution functions. Okay, similarly you can see this is very important questions. So each and every year we are looking these calculations. So they are asked you to find out the f of x value, find out the a value in short answers, write about the joint independent independent independence of two random variables and conditional distribution of function. Okay, similarly one problem on pack of cards also, the calculate the mean and standard deviation of the following data. Very simple discrete data. Okay, primary secondary data questions are also repeated. These are very important questions for BCom and BSc and also data science of statistics. Next, similarly you can see here define skewness, curtices, okay, and all the functions. Next, very old papers also we are looking to how they are giving the important questions, very gunshot questions for BSc and BCom, and also the data science, which are belongs to the statistical questions. Okay, define conditional probability, state the multiplication theorem, two dice problem the given. Okay, so next find the value of k, evaluate p of x values, x and p of x values the given. So they are asked you to find out the mean variances and also probabilities. This is a Boole's inequality, again they asked you, and Chebyshev inequality, Cauchy-Schwarz inequality in unit number 4. So very important, MGF, movement generating functions. And also next the very important this again and again it is repeating, x and p of x values. So expectation value, Cauchy-Schwarz inequality, Chebyshev inequalities. Okay, you can see these are all very important previous question papers and all. Thank you.